Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our analysis for this Friday until Monday, February 4 to 7, 2022. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. It's a rainy day across the Bicol Region and portions of Visayas and Mindanao because of a developing surface trough. So based on the latest graph set, this surface trough is now traversing areas like the Bicol Region, Visayas and Mindanao, all the way across Mimaropa within the next couple of hours, and it will bring rain conditions across these areas, sometimes light, moderate to heavy, and there is a possibility of some isolated landslides and flooding in low-lying areas. Up here to the north of the Philippine Islands, across Batanes, Babuing Cubab Islands, and Northern Luzon, within the next 24 hours, we have another surge of the northeast monsoon that could bring some chilly weather and also some strong winds of up to 50 or 55 kph, and the coastal waters across these areas will be rough and dangerous to small sea crafts. Some chances of rain showers will be expected across the coastal areas of extreme northern Luzon, while the rest of Luzon will remain sunny to cloudy with smaller chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. The edge of the surface trough might bring some rainfall tonight across the southern Tagalog provinces, and for the next few days it will move across the Mimaropa area, including Palawan. And as I said, watch out for some possible flooding and landslide, especially in areas, flood-prone risk areas of Mindanao, Visayas, Bicol Region, and Mimaropa. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure area as of this time, and it's all clear across the Western Pacific. And if we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. These are the cloudiness now generated by the surface trough. It developed from a easterly surface wind flow and the fragmented shear line. It developed into a surface trough, and it's bringing some rainfall across Bicol Region down to Visayas and Mindanao. As we look at the zoom-in satellite animation, you can clearly see here the cloudiness brought about by the surface trough moving across various sections of the Bicol region, and some of this is also moving across Romblon, Marinduque, and into Mindoro, and also across the eastern sections of the Visayas, while some isolated cloudiness and rain showers will also be expected across Visayas, and also in various sections of Mindanao. Dry and clear, as well as sunny conditions will prevail across the rest of Luzon, including Metro Manila. And if you take a look at the rainfall forecast for the next 3 days until Monday, so today these are the cloudiness and the rain showers generated by the surface trough. By this evening, the rain showers across the Bicol region will slowly dissipate, and by tomorrow, the Bicol region will only be expecting some cloudy conditions. There is a chance of sunshine and possible rain showers still in the midday or during lunchtime or early afternoon, but overall it's much improved compared to today, while some rain showers will be expected across Palawan and portions of Visayas because of this surface trough. And by tomorrow afternoon, Saturday, the remnants of the surface trough will be affecting Palawan, and some light showers will also be expected across the mountainous areas of Luzon, particularly across the eastern sections of the Sierra Madre, and some showers and isolated thunderstorms will also be expected across eastern and northern Visayas as well as eastern Mindanao by tomorrow, Saturday afternoon. On Sunday, some showers and isolated thunderstorms will still be expected across the eastern sections of Luzon, including the Bicol Region and eastern Visayas. And some thunderstorms will also be expected across Mindanao because of the northeast monsoon and the northeasterly surface wind flow. And on Monday, some showers will still be expected in some portions of eastern Luzon, including portions of the Bicol Region and eastern Visayas, while thunderstorms due to local convection will still be expected in some portions of Davao Region and the central Mindanao. And so far, that's the rain forecast for the next 3 days. The rainfall will start to slowly dissipate here in the Bicol Region and portions of Visayas and Palawan. But during the afternoon, expect some rainfall to still occur within the next 3 days. And here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Monday. Decreasing rainfall activity will be expected across the Bicol Region with only some showers along the eastern seaboards and northern seaboards of the Bicol Region. There will still be some isolated thunderstorms across Albay and Sorsogon and Catanduanes and the eastern sections of Luzon. Also across the eastern sections of Oriental Mindoro, the northern portions of Panay, including Rojas City and northern Negros, and also across the eastern sections of Visayas, eastern sections of Caraga and Davao Region, and the southern portions of Sorsogon. So these are generated by the northeast wind flow and the easterlies. While over Palawan, some isolated thunderstorms will also be expected across the coastal areas and the southernmost part of Palawan, that includes Balabac area or the town of Balabac. And before we leave you, here's the latest wind forecast from the windy.com American model. So today, the northeast monsoon is affecting the West Philippine and South China Seas and the extreme northern parts of Luzon, and within the next 24 hours, the northeast monsoon will start to affect northern Luzon. While over here across the Bicol Region, some northeasterly wind flow generated by the passing of a surface trough across the Bicol Region, Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao. And by tomorrow afternoon, Saturday, the northeast monsoon will start to affect the Bicol Region and the portions of the Visayas, as well as the eastern sections of the northern Luzon by tomorrow afternoon. And on Sunday, the northeast monsoon will still be expected across the eastern sections of Luzon, Visayas, Bicol, including Metro Manila, but the winds will start to shift more from the east, and on Monday, we could be seeing some easterly surface wind flow across the country. As you can see, the La Niña condition or the La Niña event is still present across the Philippine Islands. That's why from time to time we are experiencing some heavy rainfall across the country, particularly across Bicol, Visayas, Mimaropa, and Mindanao. And this La Niña event will prevail until the whole dry periods, and that is expected to prevail until the month of May or June. So from time to time, there are some rainfall event that could occur across the Philippine Islands because of the presence of the La Niña event. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Friday through the weekend, and we will return on Monday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Happy weekend to all. Be healthy and strong, and thank you so much for watching our channel.